Okay. Same common. We have Kone. Oh, it's not China.
It's under level.
We got indicator.
It's a Monty Kone.
Yep, Montgomery Kone.
And the door closed but more. So what's supposed to be going down? This one actually runs really well. Pretty nifty.
Yeah.
It's a nifty elevator.
Montgomery Kone.
Yep.
And that'll be it. Here it goes. I want to take some pictures. A huge thank you to all of my patrons for your support of elevaTOURS.
The video's over.
But it doesn't have to be.
You can always watch more. And you know what to do.
Click the buttons. And don't forget to subscribe. And light up that bell. Until next time, bye y'all.